So today at MTDCNC, we're talking about a fascinating topic and one that should be very close to your heart if you're a manufacturer. We're talking about material suppliers. Intoco is a company that we've recently started working with. Gio, tell us a little bit about Intoco as a business and what they do.
Paul, Intoco are a world-leading independent stockists and distributors of high-performance materials. They were established in 1972 in Cheltenham and they carry over £12 million worth of stock.
Wow, good point to start on. Now, what sort of stock is that material? Well, I can tell you that they're specialists in corrosion-resistant alloys such as duplexes, super duplexes and stainless steels, amongst others. £12 million pounds of stock. What's good about that? Why should that be attractive?
There's a few reasons, Paul. One is obviously lead times. You know, if you've got a machine shop, you can't afford to wait for material, you know, and have your machine stopped. This is costing you money. But it also emphasises the kind of investment, not only in the material, but in their customers. This material is for their customers. You know, they work in collaboration with their customers.
So what about the sizes of the material then? We've talked about the type of material. Here I have an example, up to 560 millimetres in diameter of duplex and super duplexes that are kept in stock. That's pretty incredible.
It's very impressive. And another example here, Paul, you know, H13 and 2714 hot work tool steels up to 750 mil diameter. So the range is huge.
Okay, I want to challenge you now on the quality, because that's a big part. You can deliver materials quickly, but how are they assuring their customers that they're the right quality of material?
Well, at Intoco, they source all of their materials from European mills only, with full traceability and accreditations. They are also ISO 9001 2015 approved, and you know, I've never been to a place where the emphasis on quality has been as important as it is at Intoco.
How important is it for it to be quality to your customer, or to the customer when he's buying it?
It's extremely important, Paul, and this is another really good point that you've touched upon here. You know, people could be buying material and they think that they're buying a certain material, but it's not actually that material. Now, you can imagine if you make a component out of the wrong material and it goes onto an aeroplane, the consequences can be catastrophic.
And one point to make on that as well is the 3.2 certification they have on their EN 10204. And that basically means that the materials that they're supplying actually have a third-party body's witness to it as well, which again gives you that confidence that you're getting the right quality of material. And maybe not everybody can offer that or does offer that, which is important.
Absolutely. And another good point here, Paul, I think we're on a journey, an educational journey with Intoco into materials. I'm certainly still learning. Materials was something in the past that I took for granted, not anymore. And hopefully this will be a real good journey that we're going to take part in together.
We've both been here, but you've spent more time here than me. Just give us a few seconds on how important it is for people buying material to be buying from a company that has the technical expertise, the background, the support, the infrastructure, such as these guys, as you saw when you were there.
It's very important because you'll know what you're getting. You know, everyone within Intoco is skilled in every single department, from the telephone conversations to internal, external personnel. You get skilled service and support from Intoco, and the website as well. We shouldn't forget about.
We'll be putting the details of the website on the screen. Coming up in the future, we're going to do more technical corners about specific materials, specific grades of materials, and other features about the Intoco business. So really, I suppose to summarise, everybody out there that's a manufacturer needs materials, so this should be interesting to you. And especially if you're working within corrosion-resistant alloys such as the ones we mentioned, then Intoco should be a consideration. Where can people find out more about Intoco, Gio?
They need to go to www.intoco.co.uk/special steels.